Yeah, nation people. Mr.vegas say, I go chop up killer in a 50 million pieces. Me bum buckler, I want to see it. Yeah, so when me say, I come for kill boy, assassinate and destroy. For murder certain boy that me enjoy. Lord of mercy. Hey boy, you dead this time. Yeah, this coffee always speak with mine. Bumbo hole see the sign and act like them blind. Oh, you fit this uncle, you dead like this. Gunshot attack your body like disease. It a travel so hard and I check your speed. Yeah, this the ants them and make the crime scene. Skin out like a prostitute in the street. Hey, boy, you dead this time. We have a gun with names. Watch. Hear me the nation people. And I don't know gimmicks thing I go on, Right now, I be a toasting, me see that go on, So it look like Killer that toast him first day when Killer say no, the clash over because through that the internet I say I guess Killer use it and I toast him. But him a run up him mouth, and I say this and I say that. So him a say him a big bad song right now. I got drop. We seem like him a premiere the cover art. I mean I know him take it down, so I don't know what kind of fixes and changes out for me. Yeah, so I say, but anyway, the reason why I say it look like say everything cute and crisp and nobody know this because it look like the war. It look like it's still on. I see Killer toast. Yeah, so I say because this morning I see over IG because every time Killer talk about a guy that was named Rick Storm, Killer give him a name. The first name Killer give him was Shit Storm. Yeah, so I say, now Killer said this morning, Big Storm put up a poll over him channel and I asked, Zane, out of target practice, our clip, our empty the clips. Which one of them are the baddest song in the round? Target practice get 175% and Vegas song get 25%. A be a dead with laugh with emoji and be a violation because you know how Killer work already. You know say no gimmicks thing when the general go to work. No lollipop thing, no into it. Yeah, so I say, so right now, una say, teach, Vegas I say, well then, I teach, them a teach the young artists them how to do it. But me I say, again, if you go teach a young artist, because now him start take what him word and I say, him not go bother, him not strike the vlogger them because him a do it for the benefit of dancehall. So here me I say right about now. If you go do it for teach a young youth them how to do it, you cannot do it the way how you do it with so much aggression and animosity in it to how you deal with fans on the internet and to how you back and forth with people and dissing business and all of them shit there. So I say, yeah, because if you go show the young youth them that mean a personal thing you go deal with, and then them youth you go take it to a different level because them youth are younger and them head hotter and phone one no gimmicks thing that dead about it. So and at that you can't teach the youth them that yo. You can't in an argument with the man them on the internet. You want war with Gaza uncle, you want war with coffee tea and them people up on the internet and East Zone. You have a bag of people where you tell go suck out them mother and all of them shit there. Them shit they're not necessary. If you teach youth them how for war, you have to cook up the war, spice up, season up the war, and that you can the war can cook up properly and you can dish it out and everybody have food with soup in it. All them have to do is strain off the soup and eat bare food. Now gimmicks thing now there in that. You see what I say? If a money you want use the war for generate because them think they will bring a whole heap of money to both artists depends on how the war take off or how the war shell with the place. You see what I say? So if a that you say we agree and you talk about well then you and him can forward together and not charge some 250,000 US a show for some stadium all over the Caribbean, which is right. Me not see nothing wrong with that. You talk the right thing, but you now walk the way how you talk, my brother, because you have to ease off of the internet, my brother, and go do your song, do it like oh Killa do it, my brother. Anything where Killa address him, do them thing they on IG with some emoji. I do the same, my brother, and come off of the internet and the back and forth cussing with the people and on the internet. It don't look good and it don't sound good, my brother. It has stink up the whole place and the whole internet has smell it. You hear me I say? No gimmicks thing not in it. You see what I deal with? You remember I say, you know, when me I represent, you know, only Gaza way, you know, it can't be in no other way, you know. You know me not deal with no lollipop thing, you know. You see what I say? No joke shit not the inner my game when me I represent, you know. So me I make you know the real way, you see what I say? To make the clash go on as all people that want it. That's what I deal with. Because right now, by the clash threatening and dead out, I see a whole heap of people up in them feelings and them shit there. Yesterday, when I drop a video, I asked the people them if I dead, the clash dead because me hear Killa say him dead and no more. So man all the in my comment section, I tell me for suck my mother. My brother, you never see my video when I do, I say me no want no clash done. I want to see how far it can go. My brother, I'm going to repeat what Killa say, you know. I'm sure no, you never go over Killa page, go tell him about him mother, you know. And I mean, what all of them things there for? But to me, you know, these people where you see I run up on the internet and I tell people about their mother, you know, my brother. Are the only place that you can tell people about their mother, you know. No, most of you where you tell people on the internet about their mother. Never tell somebody about their mother in them face in a real life. You never do that yet. You see what I say? But I understand them thing there. So you see, telling a man like me about suck my mother on internet, it's like you say, good morning, Mr. 10-star General. Because I understand. Believe me. You see what I say? Because I'm not easy. I high grade me smoke and I not burn beady. You see what I say? But me don't know say in real life though. You hear that? In real life though. But that's a total different catastrophe. And everybody know that. No gimmicks thing that they about it. But we are going to wait. Pan. The song what Mr.vegas say, him a forward with. Because him say, the song they right there so. So we're going to wait till him squeeze necessary equipment and see what I go on about it. Anyway, you know what the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? God's away, no? There ain't no other way. Watch me. 10-star General. Whoa.